Can I drive it?
What do you think? Huh?
Can I drive it?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. You've never driven it.
Nope. We just installed the downpipe on the car last week, and we wanted to get a clip of a cold start on the car. Can I drive
What do
it?
you think? Huh?
Can I drive it?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. You've never driven it.
Nope.
Yeah, that's let's go for a ride.
Just pull it out of the driveway because I can't. I'm not gonna be able to do that.
It's the first time Evan's driving my car. I'm not nervous. He's a good driver.
Yeah, he's a pretty good driver.
He's a better driver than you guys.
He's a better driver than all of us.
Be careful pulling out here because it's a dip and the front lip sometimes hits. The only person that uses a blinker in a BMW right there.
You can use your blinker too. Don't even.
Put it in a sport mode.
Hey,
So sport mode does tighten up the steering wheel even more.
Yep.
Have you thought about tracking the car or no?
Tracking it now.
Like just going for a little lap to see what it can do.
Nah. Alright, so when you turn up here, you can open it up. Head up to Wawa, let's get some gas, and we'll hit that parking garage, see what it sounds like in the garage. You like that blow valve?
Yeah.
I wish you would have driven it before to see if you noticed any difference with the downpipe.
We got a Beamer behind us.
Really?
Yep.
Fixed up?
No.
Yeah.
It's an older one. Looks like a...
Looks like a 3 Series.
Yeah, it looks like an older 3 Series. I like the blow-up valve. That's what I wish I had on my car, turbo, and I could put the blow-up valve on. Like it sounds good, but it's also the attention getter too.
Yeah, when you're driving by. Notice you hear the blow-up valve a lot more now.
Because of the downpipe?
Yeah. It's getting more air. More air's flowing. Alright guys, so we just got gas. We're gonna head over to the parking garage. Let's see what this beast sounds like in there. What's he got over there? What's that?
Chrysler.
It's got some nice wheels on it. So here we are at the garage. Let's see what this puppy sounds like. Maybe I'll do a drive-by, get out and have you drive by. So if you guys are new to the channel, it's the first time you're watching, make sure you do subscribe and hit that like button. But just an update of what we have on the car so far is a AFE Magnum Force intake, cold air intake. We also have the Megan Racing exhaust, and we just did the Evolution Raceworks downpipe last week, and looking forward to doing the intercooler soon and going with the Boot Mode 3 stage 2. I do have like a stage 1, they call it. We did a Castle Performance dyno run and they custom tuned it for me, but it's basically like a modified stage 1 tune. So here we are.
And you did do the intake and the downpipe after that tune, so the car's not gonna perform its best because it was custom tuned for the stock cat or downpipe, however you want to call it.
Yeah.
And it was also custom tuned for that intake that you had, the Burger tuning one.
Right.
So the car could perform better if you got it retuned, but it's
Right.
not worth it because you're going to go stage 2 with the intercooler and stuff like that.
Right. I'm just going to wait until I do the intercooler and then go stage 2, and then we'll re-dyno it and see what she does.
The exhaust does sound good in the garage, and I can definitely notice a difference with the downpipe installed. Now, you might not be able to hear a difference that well on the camera, but in person,
Yeah.
look, we got a 6 Series right here. Would I scare you?
Now you didn't scare me. I was worried about the bump. You gotta be careful, the front lip hitting.
That's why I slowed down.
Is this where you guys get pictures?
Yeah.
It's our photo shoot spot. Oh, here's cops. I hope they didn't hear you.
Probably.
Evan gets pulled over.
That'd be good. That'd be good content. That'd be good content.
Fly by.
Popo sitting up here. I guess we can't. They'll hear us.
Yeah, they're gonna hear us.
There's no law that you can't rev your car, is there? I'm gonna hurt some pops. Yeah. Sounds good. Hit it again. Too loud. That sounds good. Let's see if the police come. What? Why? What are they gonna do?
We gotta get out of here.
You're not speeding. You might not want to roll that window up.
Why?
You'll smell it in a minute.
Oh my god.
What's so funny back there? We got the whole crew with us tonight.
Let's go to an empty parking lot and do some donuts and revs.
Feeling the steering, you can feel how aggressive it is. Like you could turn on a dime. After driving the car, I gotta say, I enjoyed the experience. Once again, this is my first time driving the BMW, surprisingly, and it is the most powerful car that I have driven. My favorite thing about the car is probably the handling, because I've noticed, like comparing it to the Mercedes, it handles a lot better.
Wait, it's just more responsive, the steering?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's more responsive.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I like how small the Mercedes is. Because the equivalent to the Mercedes is like a 3 Series.
Yeah, it's a long car, it's a heavy car, it's big, it's a sedan. As far as modding it, I mean, they're sexy. I love the body style. The F10 is sexy. And all the older BMWs, I think they're sexy. The E46 and the newer ones, I'm not liking. Personally, I'm not liking them too much, the new body styles. You liked it?
Yeah, I like it. I don't think I would want to own one, though, because, well, that's just my opinion. I don't think I would want to own one because of, well, one, I feel like it'd be better if it was a manual, even though I'm still learning manual.
Yeah.
But I feel like you should have gotten a manual.
Well, I was daily driving it, remember, at the beginning?
Yeah.
I was driving it to work back and forth. And now since
You were only daily driving it stock for like what, 3 months maybe?
no, I was daily driving it for almost 6-7 months.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and then
That's when I.
no,
Well, you did
it was longer than that.
small.
It was like a year because we had the 1 year anniversary, and I
Yeah.
was still driving it.
Well, when you bought the car, you did small stuff. Like you got a diffuser and you got the grill.
Yeah, cosmetics. Stuff.
You just did small stuff.
Right.
Like you didn't do anything crazy.
Yeah. So daily driving at that distance, it's a pain getting stuck in traffic with a manual transmission. And you'll see. I mean, if you ever have to drive for it, if you ever get a job, it's a long drive, and you're stuck in traffic in a manual, it's a pain. It's so much easier in automatic. But since I'm not daily driving anymore, then I wish I did have a manual transmission
Is your next car going to be a manual?
for sure. Yeah.
So that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you guys in the next video.